Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi. So from any screen you can either go into telephone or setup. We'll go into setup. You see here at the bottom Bluetooth and settings. So each instruction in the corner of the screen corresponds to one of these buttons. So Bluetooth, the bottom right hand one. You've got there discoverability, find Bluetooth devices, bonded devices. So we'll click bonded devices. You see my phone there, Barry's iPhone. I click on that. The first one you've got is delete device, hands-free or connect. So delete device. Are you sure you want to delete this device? The device will be disconnected. So we've just got to turn that. It defaults to no, so we're just going to turn it to yes. Click delete.